In this video, we are going to be improvising using a pentascale in the right hand and a broken triad in the left hand. Just on the white keys, simple beginner hand positions. Let's be in the D hand position. D, white keys, one finger per key. D down here. This has the pentascale. The right hand is going to have pentascale material. Okay, all 5 notes available to it. The left hand is going to have a triad, right? Every other note for 3 notes, but it's going to be broken. Now I could break it going up. I could break it going down. I could break it going up and then down. I've decided, listening to those 3, I'm going to do the up and down. The right hand is going to be in the parallel pentascale of that chord. So I'm in D positions for both hands. And I've decided I'm going to make my melody move slowly, and that most of the activity is going to be in the left hand. So it might be something like this. Going to F. Sorry for the little glitch there, that I'm doing this all spontaneously, spur of the moment. So I'm going to come up with some other melodic idea here, but I do like this sort of sound. So maybe if I did something like this. Etc. I only did 3 tones here. What if I slowed this down? Maybe I'm just going to go up. And I'm going to speed my melody up a little bit. So maybe something like this. Going to C. Same melodic fragment. A. Try that. Pentascale on the right hand, melodic ideas here, repeat your melodic ideas, and in the left hand, have some sort of broken triad pattern that you've created. I'm going to give you one other thought around the broken triad, because we do hear this a lot where the top 2 are together and the bottom one is separated out. That's a great sound. To F, D, C, naming by the bottom tone. I'm going to go back to A with the melody. To G. I varied. D, G. So I'm creating melody spontaneously now. So pentascale in the right hand, broken triads in a pattern in the left hand. Give that a shot.